So when I was benchmarking the IntelliStation against the G5 quad, I found out it was swapping and the results were not really valid, so I decided to order some memory for the IntelliStation to bring it to the same amount of memory as the G5, and it has just arrived. It's the highest density modules you can get for the IntelliStation, and if I would get a few of those, I would get 32 gigs of memory in the IntelliStation, and that's double what the G5 can hold. So let's see. So here they are. Let's remove them from the anti-static plastic protection. And they are brand new, apparently. Still sealed. So this is IBM option 1934. It is described in the list of compatible accessories for the IntelliStation. It's quite recent, so it's dated in October 15th, 2012. It should work just fine with the IntelliStation. And now I need to make some space to open the side of the IntelliStation. And since I'm here, I'm going to do a little bit of cleaning. Let's remove the power supply here. One interesting thing I just found out is that the slots have different positions. So on the bottom part, the IBM sticker is up, and the shortest part is to the left, if I'm not mistaken. And on the top, as you maybe can see, it is the other way around. Now let's try to put the whole thing back. So let's go in here. So it's interesting to remember that this machine has redundant fans, and they actually can be changed with the system running. So you don't need to remove the whole fan assembly, you can just pull them out, as I showed in my previous video. On, in, English is not my native language. Now let's install back the hardware management console. It's a very beautiful board, as you can see. I hope you can see. And lastly, let's mount back the power supply. Sorry, this is in front of the camera. This is quite heavy. How many watts, by the way? 700 watts. That should be it. We can boot it up. Since we removed the hardware management console, the system is gonna go through a series of tests. As you can see, the power supply here has some blinking LEDs. I don't know what they mean. If you know, please leave the comments. The hardware management console is also up. As you can see, there is an LED up there. And the very annoying thing about this system is that the fans are always running, the power supply fans. Even when the system is off, they just keep running at a lower speed. And it consumes more or less 50 watts when it's idle to keep the hardware management console running. Now let's take a look at the front to see how it is coming up. It's normal, it takes a while to boot up. The system goes through a series of tests before sending power to the main board, or how IBM calls it, planar or something like that. Down here is quite hard to see, but the system attention light is on, and it has been on for a while. That means I looked up on the internet the error code, and I need to replace the hardware management console CMOS battery. So every time I take it out of the power, if it's out of the power for more than 5 or 10 minutes, it loses the system time. Let's see what happens here. And that's IntelliStation POWER running. It's not so loud as you would expect. I think some gaming PCs are louder and eat more power than that. Fans are running now at the lowest speed. Looking on the screen, asking me to select the active console, but I don't have keyboard connected, and the keyboard is not plug and play. Yeah? So if you connect the keyboard afterwards, it will not do anything. But I'm just hoping to see the memory. That's what we need. I'm gonna close this, otherwise I'm gonna go insane with the noise. But I gotta have it running so you can see the difference in the noise. Very loud. So let's wait until the fans slow down. Okay, good. Alright, I'll just do it. So now this is the noise with the side panel closed. Now let's put the here silencer thing. And close the front door. Oh, console selection. You close this to see the noise. No, you can work here. It's tolerable. So select boot options, select install boot device, list all devices, disk 5, AIX, normal boot mode, yes, exit. I need to see the memory. This is a horrible monitor, by the way. And 8 gigs of RAM. And our mission is accomplished. I will post the benchmark results later this week. Thank you for watching.